everybody. It's getting close.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting close. So we want to talk about last minute gifts for moms.
Yes.
Yes. I'm Robin, and this is Sonia,
Mm-hmm.
and we are Bali Moms on the Go.
And we are really going like to finish the year, you know, like
yeah, that's right. We're gonna finish the year like exactly like that.
on the go mode.
On the go. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So we know you guys who bought gifts for the kids.
Yeah.
And you probably bought gifts for your husband.
Yeah.
Or your spouse, whoever that is.
Yeah.
Your wife. Did anybody buy gifts for the moms yet?
I don't know.
I hope so.
So we
kind of head into Christmas going, I hope somebody bought a mom a gift.
And it doesn't have to be an appliance to cook or something.
Please don't buy us appliances, guys. Like, if there are anybody watching that's buying a mom a gift, please don't buy her an appliance unless she specifically asked for it. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we want to extend your ideas about gifts. And we were thinking maybe to allow the mom to have free time.
Yeah.
And don't have to think about the kids.
What a gift.
Yeah, so hire a babysitter.
Or
Or like get someone in your family or aunt to like say, okay, you're gonna watch the kids for 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever, an evening, a weekend, like a whole day. So then the mom can have free time to maybe have a nap, a long super nap.
A nap?
Yeah.
How glamorous.
Well, sometimes you need that.
Yes, you do.
Like
a nap, or even
like time outside, to have time with friends and
watch a TV show that you haven't been able to watch, or a movie
without interruptions.
Yeah. Go to a movie by yourself.
Yeah.
That sounds like heaven. Yeah. I think also a house cleaner is a really good gift. And even just one time, right? Like
when a full deep cleaning, hire someone, and then
like windows and doors and walls and floors, right? Like the big stuff that's super hard to get to.
Yeah, and
tops of the shelves.
I think it's nice because by the end of the year or the beginning of the year, depends when you retrieve the gift, it's gonna feel nice in the house. Like, okay, it's clean.
That's a good way to start the year. Yeah, I think I might ask for that actually. My favorite, I love to indulge in a spa.
Yeah.
A massage, a facial, a manicure, pedicure. I don't get to do it very often. And when I do massages through the year, usually it's therapeutic massage. Like it's because I need to be beat up a little bit. So a nice relaxed massage where you could actually like sleep. Yeah. Like that would be lovely.
Like for you to like enjoy.
Or a nice facial to keep us looking.
The body like for my birthday I win a giveaway spa massage. And then I did it, and I haven't done that for a while too. It's massage, but it was like 1 full hour. It's like, at the end it's like, it's already done.
It's already done.
It felt so good. I was like, on my little clouds for the day. Like,
that's lovely.
So it feels good.
And there's lots of really good spas in Calgary.
Yes,
like lots. Yeah.
So many types.
You had something that somebody gave you.
Yes, a personal shopper. So maybe if you want to start the year with a new you. You could find a personal shopper who will like guide you with what fits you now, because maybe you have changed from your clothes that you may have for ages, and you want something new just to feel fresher. So have someone to shop with you and guide you, like this type of colors, this type of clothes, because of the shape.
I've never had that. I think it's a really cool idea.
It's really nice.
I think that would be really nice. Yeah,
and I think you have different levels of what you would like. Like someone really like revamping your whole wardrobe, or someone pointing out key pieces, or because I hate shopping, so that would be good to have somebody like drag me around and just make me try stuff on it. It's good. So it's a good one.
I know that there are now so many different like food delivery things, so they bring like pre-packaged, it's kind of like the current age TV dinners.
The current,
like 2019 TV dinner. Do you know what a TV dinner is?
No.
Because she's from France. So in America or Canada, in like the 60s and the 70s, they had like TV trays. so that you would like
yeah.
stack against your wall, and then you pull it out at dinner time so you can watch TV while you were eating.
Yeah.
And then they would have like those TV dinners, and it would be like on a plate that had like the separated like parts, and it was really gross.
Okay.
It was not good. But now they do it, and it's so good. Like, and it's usually pretty healthy. Like some of them are specifically healthy food,
Okay.
and then other ones are just like whatever you want. But there's so many different kinds now, so that's a really cool idea.
Yeah, so
Even just a week's worth of meals.
Maybe like once a week, just to simplify and then let you breathe a bit during the week when you have to plan so many meals.
Yeah, and there's some that do just vegetables, like they just deliver vegetables to your house. So there's different kinds, but that would be a super, super good gift. Yeah.
Food delivery, cooking delivery, like so many ways.
Yeah.
And the last one, maybe? Unless we have more ideas.
Yeah, we
Books.
want you to tell us your ideas.
So many types of books. So then you have your free time reading your own books. Could be like something you enjoy reading, like romance, science fiction, like drama, or like something. Or maybe more like uplifting, motivational, where you like feel like
self-help.
Grow. Yeah, self-help.
Yeah. And because I am always running like a maniac, I really don't get to read anymore. I miss it a lot. So maybe you combine the free time and the book together, you know, but also audiobooks is another really good way. So I'm a member of, it's called Audible, and but at the library, they also have audiobooks. So,
so
you know, maybe a library card. Like
it's
some
free.
stuff is expensive, but that's free, right? And so that's
in Calgary.
In Calgary, it's free. Yeah, we don't know about other places, but yeah. So what do you guys think would be a really good gift for a mom?
Like really meaningful and really like something that will have a positive impact on the mom.
Well, meaningful but useful.
And useful.
Yeah, like we become practical a little bit too, right?
Yeah. And when I say meaningful, I also mean like
useful. Yeah. Okay, you guys, please tell us, because we need some ideas. Maybe I'm going to do some last minute shopping for a friend of mine. I don't know if it's possible. Yeah. Okay, so in the comments, share, because if you share, then we'll get more ideas. And that's even better. Yes. Thanks, you guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.